Understanding the ed suffix is essential because it serves two main purposes in English. It turns verbs into the past tense, and it creates adjectives. Here is a breakdown of how to use and pronounce it. First, the three sounds of ed. The most confusing part is that it isn't always pronounced the same way. The pronunciation depends on the last sound of the base verb. Use the id sound if the verb ends in a t or d sound, like started, wanted, ended, or decided. Use the t sound if the verb ends in an unvoiced sound, like p, k, f, ss, h, or ch. For example, walked, laughed, washed, watched. Finally, use the d sound for all other voiced sounds and vowels, like played, cleaned, robbed, and loved. Now, for spelling rules. Standard verbs, just add ed. Work becomes worked. For verbs ending in e, just add d. Live becomes lived. If it ends in a consonant plus y, change y to I and add ed. Study becomes studied. And the 1-1-1 rule. If a one-syllable word has one vowel and ends in one consonant, double the last letter. Stop becomes stopped. Lastly, let's talk about usage. Verbs versus adjectives. The ed suffix tells us how something was or what happened. In past simple verbs, it indicates a finished action, like I finished my assignment last night. When used as an adjective, ed usually describes a feeling or emotion. For example, I am bored. Don't confuse this with ing. Ed is the feeling, and ing is the cause of the feeling. Let's practice. How would you pronounce these? Looked, needed, called. The answers are: looked sounds like t, needed sounds like ed, and called ends with the d sound. Great job.